Welcome back. Great to see you continuing your C++ journey. Every lesson you complete builds your confidence and skill. Let's dive into today's topic. C++ Beginner Course, Lesson 3.1, STDC Out. Today we're taking our very first step into interacting with the computer through output. STDC Out is how C++ displays information on the screen: messages, numbers, results, anything you want the user to see. Understanding how output works now will make your C++ journey much smoother and prepare you for writing real interactive programs. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll break down what stdcout is, how C++ sends information to the screen, and how the insertion operator works. We'll also look at why output is essential for learning programming and the common mistakes beginners make when using cout. So what exactly is stdcout? It's the standard output stream in C++. That simply means it's the tool we use to display text or information on the screen. Whether you want to show a message, a number, or the result of a calculation, stdcout is how you do it. Output matters because it's how your program communicates with you. When you're learning, seeing the results of your code helps you understand what's happening. In real programs, output is how you display messages, results, and information to the user. Without output, your program would run silently with no visible feedback. stdcout works by using the insertion operator, written as two angle brackets pointing left. You can think of it as pushing information into the output stream. Whatever you insert into cout gets displayed on the screen exactly as you wrote it. Here are a few conceptual examples of what stdcout is used for. You can display a simple message, show a number, or combine text with values. We're not running code yet, just understanding the idea. In the exercises later, you'll get hands-on practice. Beginners often run into a few common issues when using stdcout. Forgetting the insertion operator, missing quotation marks, or forgetting to include the iostream library are all normal mistakes. Another common issue is using cout without the std prefix. These are easy to fix once you understand how output works. Let's recap. stdcout is the standard output stream in C++. It displays information on the screen using the insertion operator. Output is essential for understanding your program and communicating with users. In the next lesson, we'll explore stdcin, which allows your program to receive input from the user. It's great progress today. You're building a strong foundation step by step. Thanks for watching and for being part of this learning journey. Your support and subscription truly help this course grow.